This is Pradeepa from TLH Patterns. I am going to share with you a very easy crochet stitch pattern perfect for beginners. You can use this stitch pattern to make baby blankets, shawls and also sweaters. Before going to the pattern, please subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon to receive notifications as soon as I upload a video. I'll show you a small sample of the stitch pattern. You can make it as big as you want. I use light worsted weight or DK weight yarn in 3 colors and a 4 mm crochet hook. You can use as many colors as you want. Start with a slip knot and make chains in multiples of 9 plus 8 extra. So after making the slip knot, make the required number of chains. Chains in multiples of 9 plus additional 8. So here I have made the required number of chains. Now work a double crochet in the 4th chain from hook. Skip the first 3 chains and make a double crochet in the 4th chain. The skipped 3 chains will count as a first stitch. This is a second stitch. You need to make totally 6 stitches. So here we have to make 4 more. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you have totally 6 stitches. Now make chain 1, skip next chain and work a 2 DC cluster in next chain. So yarn over hook, insert hook into the next chain, pull yarn through the chain. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Again yarn over, insert hook into the same chain, pull yarn. You have 5 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 4 loops on the hook, again yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Now make a chain 1 and work one more cluster in the same chain. Yarn over, insert hook into the same chain, pull yarn through the chain. Now again yarn over, insert hook into the same chain, pull yarn. You have 5 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So into the same chain you work one cluster, chain and cluster. Again make chain 1, skip the next chain and double crochet in 6 chains. Hello, that's my kitty saying hi. So I've made 6 double crochets, chain 1, skip next chain and work cluster, chain 1 cluster in the next chain. chain 1, skip next chain and double crochet in the next 6 chains. We have reached the end of the row. Finish the row with double crochet in the last 6 chains. Now make chain 3. This will be the first stitch of the next row. And double crochet in the next 5 stitches. Okay, now chain 1 and into the chain 1 space between the clusters, work 1 cluster, chain 1 and cluster. Chain 1 and double crochet in the next 6 stitches. Now chain 1 and make cluster, chain 1 cluster in the space between the 2 clusters. Then chain 1 and double crochet in the next 6 stitches. Repeat this pattern across. I'll show you how to add a new color. Now you will be adding new colors at the end of a row. Now the last stitch is worked in the top of chain 3. Now let's join a new color. Okay. Pull the new yarn through the loop and tighten the loop by pulling the yarn, the old yarn. Now start working with the new color. Chain 3. This will count as the first stitch. Turn and work double crochet in the 5 stitches. Then chain 1 and cluster, chain 1 cluster in the next chain 1 space between the clusters, and then chain 1 and continue. This row is worked throughout the pattern. It is just one row repeat and also easy to remember. In this sample, I change colors every 2 rows. You can use single color or as many colors as you want. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I'll meet you in another video. Bye.